Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. Today we are diving into the world of AI powered editing with a platform called Media.io. This web-based toolbox offers a comprehensive suite of features to enhance your photos, videos and audio file. From upscaling grainy footage to generating captivating intros with text, Media.io empowers you to create professional looking content effortlessly. You can convert, compress, edit videos and audio files online free easily. Media.io have many AI features we will talk about in this video. Click on Get Started Free icon. You will see the interface like this. Here you can see AI tools. There are many AI tools we will talk about in this video. Below you can see templates icon. Here you can get many templates. You can use these templates into your videos. There are many categories in templates like fashion and beauty, real estate, pet, food, tech product, sport and fitness, and many more. You can check and use these templates into your videos. You can use these templates for your brand promotions. If I click on AI tools, there are many AI tools like videos, audios, and photos. We will talk about one by one on all AI tools. If I go to home page and click on tools icon, there are many video and audio tools, photo tools and many more. So if I click on auto subtitles, it can automatically generate subtitles or captions for your videos with AI power generator. Here you can see text-to-speech feature. Media.io offers a text-to-speech converter that lets you transform written text into your spoken audio files. Choose your language here. There are many languages like Arabic, Bengali, English, Hindi, French. Select the language and choose a voice. There are many voices available, male and female.
Wondershare. Creativity simplified.
Wondershare, Creativity Simplified.
You can also adjust the speed and pitch and enter your text here. Just copy and paste or write your text here and click on generate icon. You can play and listen this audio.
Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. Are you tired of struggling with video formats that
You can download this audio file by clicking on download icon and you can use these audio into your videos. And the next we have subtitle features. There are three options: auto subtitles, manual subtitles, upload subtitle files. I want auto subtitles and select the video or audio language. There are many languages available here and click on start auto subtitles. Here you can see it has generated the auto subtitles. You can also edit these subtitles and let me play the video. Here you can see the subtitles has been added into your videos. You can add or delete any line. Also you can download these subtitles. And here is the translate icon. You can also translate your subtitles into any language. You can change the subtitle styles. Now let's move to other AI features. The first AI tool is long video to short video. It can automatically resize and crop long videos into highlight short videos with AI tool. Click on create videos and upload your video here. And the process is start. Wait a minute here. You can see it has been generated 2 short videos. You can check and download these videos. You can use these short videos on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, etc. The next option is AI Music Generator. You can create royalty-free songs in various genres, moods, and lengths without any composition skills. You can create music track as per your genre, style, and mood. And text-to-music features lets you describe the mood you want. It generates a unique song based on your words, and you can also customize music here. For generating your soundtrack, choose the length of your music track, then select the genre like hip hop, rock, pop, beats, and select the mood like happy, sad, angry, romantic, and then select the theme like cinematic, gaming, travel, vlogs, etc. and click on generate music. It will generate a music track as per your mood. You can play this track here. And here is the download icon. You can download and use this music into your videos. The next we have video enhancer. You can enhance the video quality. Select the video you want to enhance. And here you have 4 options: upscaler, color correction, denoise and smoothness. You can select the upscaler 2x or 4x and click on process. You can see the difference in original and the result. You can also use the color correction feature to enhance the colors of your videos. And the next feature is watermark remover. You can remove unwanted objects from any picture. Select the image. You can see here's the watermark. You can select the brush size and select the object you want to remove. You can remove any watermark, any object from your picture. After selecting, click on remove object now. You can see the watermark is removed and you can see the result, and it has removed the watermark perfectly. If I click on templates icon, there are hundreds of templates. You can use any template. You can use these templates for your brand's promotions. You can edit these templates. You can add titles or animations. You can add subtitles into your videos, or you can add any titles. You can select the text style and you can edit your text here. And the next we have audio options. You can add any background music. There are many musics here. You can play and check the music you can use into your videos. The next we have transition option. There are many transitions here. You can check and use these transitions into your videos to make your video more professional. And there are many stickers here. You can use any sticker into your videos. The last one is effect option. There are many effects. You can use any effect into your video. There are many effects here. Select the effect you want to add. Media.io is the ultimate AI editing solution. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of Media.io. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know your favorite editing tools. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.